Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 4 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Luray, or 9 miles south of Woodstock, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated Virginia, northwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 4 p.m. to fall. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Luray, or 9 miles south of Woodstock, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Localized power outages 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chesapeake, Washington, Hunley, Buckeye, Kings Crossing, Compass, David's Church, Carl, Glencoe, Bentonville, Browntown, and Rileyville. Power outages are possible. Move to an interior room. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chester Gap, Flint Hill, Washington, Hunley, Arco, Kings Crossing, Compton, Shoreway, St. David's Church, Carl, Glencoe, Bentonville. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. For your torrential rainfall is occurring.
Oh, yes, WIYY. Yep.
Damaging wind. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways during this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. The National Weather Service in Sterling, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.